Hi, I'm Scott Taylor, product manager of the Cougar division at Keystone RV. Today we're sitting inside the 290 RLS Cougar, which is in our full-size lineup, and it has been since the 2021 model year. It has been a staple floor plan, a staple traditional rear living for us. I want to start in the dinette sofa slide here. So this isn't just a traditional rear living, or excuse me, a traditional dinette. This actually is a wall-mounted dinette, so no pedestal. You're not knocking your legs against it. Brand new for 2025 is the ottoman with storage there as well. You've got two chairs with storage, but one of the features that I got from a previous Cougar owner was, give me a dinette, but give me something different too. So 2 years ago, we partnered up with a supplier and we came out with our pivot mechanism for our dinette, which turns this into a tabletop for two with a view. Also turns it into a pretty awesome desk space too, if you get the opportunity to work from your trailer. All right, now we're in the kitchen. But before I show you all those amazing kitchen features, did I tell you that this floor plan's under 34 foot and will fit into every national and state park out there? It's pretty amazing that we're able to fit everything in here, including up to actually over 13 foot of countertop space, an awesome coffee station, very tall pantry, 16 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. This island goes on for days. More countertop space back here, pull out trash can, maybe recycling, and also paper towel holder here. And all of that under 34 foot. But that's not it. For you RVers that want more storage, more pantry space, we did that for the 2025 model year. Introducing the all new pivot utility pantry on all of our traditional rear living Cougars. So we are giving you a ton more cabinet space in there, a place to hang coats, brooms, what have you. But we even gave you an outlet in there, so if you want to hang a cordless vacuum in there. The living room, starting at the heat and massage theater seats, which by the way are right across from the TV. Then you've got the tri-fold sleeper sofa, or just a sofa if you don't want those guests to know you actually have a sleeping surface there. Speaking of something else that's pretty darn sweet is all of the windows in this thing. You've got 8 functioning windows in the kitchen living room area alone. And by the way, they all open. I mean, that's a pretty sweet idea. And that's actually standard on every single Cougar floor plan in all of our lineups. Now we're standing in the newly redesigned bedroom in the 290 RLS for the 2025 model year. A couple things I want to showcase we give you that the competitors just don't. First being stackable washer dryer prep or combination prep, however you want to use that. But we also give you the front windshield too for those RVers that have that unbelievable sight out of the front of your camper. You've got that. We conveniently located 12 volt charging stations and inverter ready outlets on both sides of your bed with huge nightstands. All right, for you hot-blooded people, we're giving you 2 air conditioners, a total of 33,000 BTUs worth of air conditioners. That's standard on our full-size Cougar lineup. All right, it's time to get serious. Bring it in a little. The reason why more RVers choose Cougar than any other fifth wheel brand out there is because of the features that we offer and some of the packages that we offer. We've been building fifth wheels since 1998, over 200,000 built. And starting with my professional grade camping package, it's just that. It is built. These are built for you professional RVers out there that have been doing it for quite some time. All right, in this 290 RLS, I told you it's just under 34 foot. But I didn't tell you that we have 25 foot of awning space on your campsite, which is pretty amazing if you think about it. But what we did for 2025 is we actually gave you the opportunity to be able to open and close those awnings right here from your pass-through, so you don't have to go inside if you don't want to. So we now have that 3-way switch. This is our Cougar Built Tough pass-through. And again, it's for those professional grade campers out there. You can see you've got the tough ply floor here. You also have a hatch here, so if you want to plug in a TV out here in your campsite, you can actually keep your door closed, run your wiring up there, and plug it in all right there. Cool LED light illuminating the entire pass-through, but even some more cool stuff on the other side that I want to show you as well. Professional grade is the theme of this exterior walk around. So I do want to point out exactly where we have our auto level controls located. Even the fact that it's on a little bit of an angle, make it easier for you to read your settings. And then we also have the fully enclosed convenience center. Some of my competitors actually leave this side open. You're unhooking water lines. Water will spray out. Don't you want to keep that enclosed? That's why we do what we do. Okay. Also new for 2025 is the new access door to get to your water fittings and to your water pump as well. And that's located right here in the pass-through behind the convenience center.